Purchase a special bonsai pot. It is important for the growth of your tree. It must be larger across than the previous. Protect the drainage hole with squares of mesh wire attached to the underside with wire. Fill the bottom of your pot with special bonsai soil mix, raising a small mound in the center of the pot. Delicately extract the bonsai from its pot. Thread the cultivator along the roots of the clump to disentangle them without wounding them. Position the clump on the mound and twist it down, rotating it slightly to ensure that the blend penetrates between the roots. Add soil mix up to the rim and press down lightly. If your bonsai exhibits beautiful roots around its base, feel free to keep them visible. Water delicately.